Hello everybody, let's jump right into this video. This is how to do a two-strand twist on some short hair. This is hair before, and the first thing you want to do is just cold wash the hair with some conditioner like I'm doing right here. And then after you get done, you just want to get a spray bottle and you want to saturate the hair with just some plain water, and make sure that it is saturated good, because that is the key of getting these juicy two-strand twists. Now all the products that I'm using will be in the description box. That's just some meille spray to give it some more hydration, because once again that's the key to some juicy two-strand twists. Now you just want to get a wide tooth comb and detangle the hair, section off the hair that you want to work with, and with the remainder of the hair you just want to grab some clamps and just get that hair out the way like I'm doing right here. After you do that, you want some leave-in conditioner. Once again, everything will be in the description box and you can check those out, the products that I'm using right here. And you just want to add that to the hair, starting at the root of the hair to the end of the hair. You want to make sure it's in there real good. Then just detangle the hair with a fine tooth comb to make sure that it's detangled very well, because that's another key in getting a perfect two-strand twist. This is the gel that I'm using, the ecostryler gel, and you want to make sure that you're saturating the hair very well with that as well, because that'll keep it from frizzing and everything. So after you get done with that, once again you want to go back in and detangle the hair, because that is the key. And now it's time to two-strand twist. You just want to grab two strands and start twisting the hair. I'm giving you close-up so you can see how to get that perfect two-strand twist. And while I'm at it, I want to give a shout out to one of my subscribers. His last name is Martin. I really don't know how to pronounce your first name, but like I told you, I would definitely give you a shout out, and thank you for tuning in as always. And thank you for all of my subscribers for tuning in as well and supporting the channel. So make sure that at the end you twirling the end of the two-strand twist so it can be a little curly at the end. And the more that you do this, the easier it will be. But you can definitely tell how easy it is to strand the hair once it's all detangled well. That way you don't have to detangle each section of the hair before you two-strand twist the hair. So that's the good thing also about making sure that the hair is detangled very well. And once again, when you get down to the end, make sure that you're swirling or twirling your finger to give it that curly end that you desire. And you just want to repeat the process like I'm doing right here. I'm not even using a comb to section off the hair. I'm just taking small sections of the hair. I want it to be more of a free form parting two-strand twist than a defined box two-strand twist, just to give different looks, for different people depending on what you're trying to desire, the look that you're trying to go for. So this definitely is a great protective style because you're not using any heat to pre-stretch the hair. So this is great for people who do not like using heat on their hair. I'm adding some clips to the end just to give it a little more length, which you're not going to get extreme length by adding the clips, but at least it gives you a little extra, length. So you just want to repeat the process of adding the leave-in conditioner and detangling the hair like we discussed earlier, and then of course adding your gel of choice. And once again, I like using the ecostryler gel with the olive oil in it. And then once you get that done, make sure you go back in and detangle the hair again. That way when you are two-strand twisting the hair, you don't have to stop and try to detangle the hair. So you just want to continue with the two-strand twisting throughout your hair like I'm doing right here. And when I get done with the first two rows, I will definitely let you see how that's looking. Okay, so while you you two-strand twisting the hair, don't worry about the white buildup because the products that we use work very well together, and his hair, once all the way completely dry, will dry clear, so it won't have that buildup and that white look on his two-strand twist, which is a plus because we do not want that. So once you have the twist completed, you just want to grab them and add that clip to the end just to give it a little more length if that's what you're looking for, or if you don't mind the shrinkage, then you don't have to do that. So once all of them are completed, this is how the two-strand twist should be looking. And if you do not like heat, once again, you don't have to sit under a dryer. You can just let it air dry. Once it's all dry, and you put a little oil to it, and the oil that I use will be in the description as well. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great blessed day.